Top stories. Navy divers continue search for 3 bodies in Muffle Dam. International Workers' Day widely observed across Manipur. Kuki Talks interlocutor A.B. Mathur meets leaders of Kuki civil society in Kangpokpi. Good evening and welcome to Times of Manipur. This is SURAJ Khongban giving you the news. Now the news in detail. A 12-member team of Indian Navy divers backed by NDRF and Manipur Fire Service personnel today continued search for the 3 bodies who went missing in Muffle Dam water and artificial lake at Chadong village of Ukhrul district after a boat capsized incident that occurred on April 28 when a powerful cyclonic storm swept through Manipur. 2 boats with 12 picnickers on board sank in the dam water and 9 of them were rescued, but 3 are still untraceable despite 3 days of search for the bodies. The 3 missing picnickers are S. Rajiv, aged 35 years, S. Roman, aged 29 years, and N. Rani, aged 19 years from Ningthaukhong Kha Kuno village in Bisnupur district. The divers started this search operation since early morning. Manipur Chief Minister and Biren Singh today visited Chadong village to personally witness the ongoing search operation. Talking to media persons on the sidelines, Biren said the Indian Navy divers have narrowed down at least 5 spots underwater where suspected objects have been detected. The footage of the objects will be sent to the Navy head office for examination, he informed. The Chief Minister appreciated the Defence Ministry for sending the Navy divers for this search operation and said efforts are on to find the bodies. The Indian Navy divers team arrived in Imphal last midnight by a special flight from Visakhapatnam. It may be mentioned that Chief Minister Biren, in the aftermath of the tragic boat sinking incident, had announced to ban operation of unauthorized and substandard boats at tourist spots across Manipur.
NDRF ki adagi lairiba kano khoi state ki lairiba machineries aduga even NDRF ki khoi Arunachal Pradesh tagi kari dagi kaudana ado ngasi de layo phabamnai Defence Ministry I appreciate naval ki moi me trying to a specialist in the deep driving ado moi thungare ngarang ahing pung tarama thoi gaminit khara hen bada akhanaba plane amada Visakhapatnam dagi lakpani ado moi ngasai ayuk early morning dagi moi thiba hogre ado huji koina latest news huji sports sida ina moi lam mai captain dona tambada some area khara da moi narrow down tore mafam manga gumba identify tor kan moi camera lore the camera lo with suspect object khara moi uba fange ado subject chingna bodo ado mangna oiramni haibedi natri ado suspect oibo object khara moi uno fange ado hairi chi moi amo madu through camera satellite ada naval head office that har kanda confirm tor kanda madugi mafam du da sangadaba adugi pawngainari aduna ai sorna sor khoram si khoi mya ado ngasi di soidana fangadra haibagi moi diving expert ngatani makha moi machinery loina puro la even ising manung da pung ani makhai ahum hena satlaga thiba yaba kullup pungamba aduguma expert sing ne aduna mayam da gi awa da imung manung leigi da sing awa da ekhoina sarugya jari aduga mayam punna state ki mayam punam isor khurmina se na mayam da appeal tawni
akoi life jacket kumbasu sarkar side gi su properly instruction pp dawa hairiba si mayam sina akoi yam nungai da thokre adubu hojikdi akoi na kari hairuni akoi isorda patana to biduna sikraba hasan da chakraba su mai gi body di dead body di phangbirabadi imongi da akoi relief madu phanjagani tamda mayamna koi sembireba isor patana tawsi adaga tungda sikuma muga thodaningai tamak akoi sarkar na paibiriba hoji present government asu matik chabagi akoi gi thorangdo madu paikhat bire hairaga sigi area da koi gi police outpost amasu thambiduna life jacket no kumba phajana system gi atopa lamdang da leibugumna aduguma phajana adu pibirabadi aikoigi tungda thoragadariba amuka naharong sing kaya sida mulaga pikini haina thambikraba spot amanina madu kaya gumba sida thorakduna mayawna masi tamada koi government appeal tawjari.
The Joint Administrative Council JAC of All Manipur Trade Unions Council M2 and MGO observed the International Labour Day at its office in Babupura today. The function was attended by Datopan Tengari National Board for Workers' Education and Development Ministry of Labour and Employment Director MN Salam, Social Scientist Dr. RK Sana Jauba, RK Sana Jauba Singh, Faculty Member, Department of Economics, Manipur University, Dr. Chinglen Maisnam, Professor of Department of Anthropology, Manipur University, Dr. MC Arun, along with Secretary General of Joint Administrative Council of M2 and MGO, Manipur as resource persons and Presidium members.
Magi right ki tamdi hok toriba kuki ki tamta right ki hok toriba mati ki tamta right ki hok toriba natrake hindu ki tamta muslim ki tamta tawisa masina mi pun bagi mota mi head hen divide tawisa masi kari ki noise adu ngasi me de nadi community hali ba dharma ki khenaba adigi magi fur ki khenaba mayam si lam tho kanda ngasi baw para yo se kari ki no haise masi koi kup nyam pham thoe aduna fur ki manipur di fur ki issue mayam sina mang da loile ramdina me de dum sina nan issue aya aduga kana da issue endless organ issue mayam sina mamang da talaga mother of the issue sin gre aduna ne ko ngasi meeting mayam to we from mayam to we manipur organization masing kangda thore adu puna masil war kanda khangde da to du si har ga ona hanri sa masi kari wada ako ye mayon se zum na ko direction se pi bang ba adum makali hosi manipur masi mang gre
Government of India bu pampam nangda mention clip di kraba matung asida pagi pau kraba pagi show M2 MGO gi sindi
tubuh ada temu bai pangtuk
सरकार दो कोई मियां में नंदरी में सरकार दो नसागी मसिंग दो लेबा तो की मन अकुये स्लोगन से जेसीओ एमजो एम2 की स्लोगन सी वर्कर्स सपोर्ट कंट्री नसी कोइना नगा की तमता कोइना.
District Legal Services Authority Imphal West also observed May Day at the District and Session Court Complex in Uripok today. As part of the observance, a session on training of paralegal volunteers on NALSA schemes was conducted. Several officials of District Legal Services Authority Imphal West expressed their views during this session. District Legal Services Authority Imphal West Secretary K. Nirozit expressed his views on the observance.
Situation the lady unorganized maru and unorganized sector gi sigi matang sida koi paralegal volunteers sing sida information piraga moi gi damakta moina kari to buya bage sarkar gi kari scheme lai adu sing to karmaina implement to buya gani karmaina moi da mating pang yu ya gani adu gi matang de information pina ba amasung training pina bagi tawja.
Under the supervision of Swachh Bharat Mission, Urban Nambol Municipal Council also observed May Day today at its meeting hall. On the occasion, Chairperson of the Council C.H. Basanta Singh, Council Vice Chairperson A. Bimola Devi and Councillor R.K. Ongbi Siza Kunjesori Devi were present as the Chief Guest, President and Guest of Honour respectively. Councillors and staff members of Ward number 18 of the Council were also present at the event. Speaking during the function, C.H. Basanta stressed on the importance of maintaining cleanliness. Later, as a part of the occasion, gifts were presented to sanitary staff of Nambol municipality. Socialist Students Union of Manipur observed International Labour Day under the theme Uniting Workers for Social and Economic Advancement at Manipur Dramatic Union Hall, Yai School today. A book titled Anoba Mirol, written in Bengali and English, was also released during the observation program. Talking to Tom TV, the president of SSUM, Soraisam Yaim, said that The main aim of observing May Day by the union is to let the whole world know that the working class community faces the greatest challenges in the fast-changing world. He added, the ruling government and concerned authorities need to formulate a policy to enhance the socio-economic conditions of every leveler in the society.
Manipur Ladiba Amadi Mapam Gada Ladiba Sinmishing Sidich Daikun Afaba Nungaiba Yaifaba Pausel to Pizari Lunana Aikoi Sinmishing the Su Punging Wakal Hunter Davida Ayagi Chasing Ayagi Laikai Sing Ayagi Laikai Sing Mayamga competition Ngamnanabagidamak Adugumba Kongtang Amagalunana Jet Lepiu Aikoi Su Sinmishing Gidamak Aikoina Angamba Adugumba Togaya du Lozage.
CAF and AMP PD Labourers Association also organized May Day at the Labour Rest House of Consumers Affairs, Food and Public Distribution Godown Campus, Sangaipro. A painting competition to mark the day was held with the theme The Present Political Status of All Working Class, also a mental health awareness program by Caesar Hospital consultant psychiatrist Dr. N. Mona was held as part of the program. On the occasion, Desam Assistant General Secretary expressed that the economy of a country can't develop without the contribution of laborer. But a laborer must not accept the work if it does not have any benefit. He said and added that as long as the right of laborer is violated, a country cannot go ahead.
Simi Kudimangasu, Lepas Lakalanabagi Tamata Adumba, I could acquire the Pibam Sisu, not Hanabagi Tamata Simi Kudimangasu Togam. I could Masali Marata, Yana Tuna Pau Ponaba, Amaga, Tatotas and Tominava, Adumba, communication gets a late about Jose I could Manipula, Sing the Toba Tanda Yom Divasini, and the Tanda Toba Bansu, Sing the Mamita Divasini, Masip Punama Asa, I could Jose communication get late.
Interlocutor of Indo-Kuki political dialogue A.B. Mathur arrived in Kangpokpi district today. Later, the former Special Secretary of Research and Analysis Wing Ro Mathur held a meeting with different Kuki civil society leaders during the tour. He will also visit the designated Ebenezer Peace Camp of Kuki National Front KNF in the district. Kangpokpi district headquarters in Manipur has been donned with colorful flags fluttering in the air along the Trans-Asian Highway No. 1 to welcome A.B. Mathur. Ahead of the visit by government interlocutor A.B. Mathur, the Kuki in Manipur came yesterday urged him to expedite the tripartite talks between the centre, Manipur government and Kuki militant groups for early solution to the political imbroglios of the Kukis. A statement of Kim, the apex body of Kuki civil society, said it deeply appreciates that the government of India and the state government of Manipur are presently engaged in the tripartite dialogues with the signatories of the suspension of Operation Sue, the Kuki umbrella organization of Kuki National Organization, KNO, and United People's Front UPF. The annual General Body meeting of All Manipur Working Journalists Union AMJU was held at Manipur Press Club, Imphal, and conducted election for new office bearer of the union. The results of the election will be announced in a short while from now. Dhamen Wangkhemcha of Kanglei Pakimaira Evening Newspaper and Bijoy Kakching Tabam of Poknam Daily Newspaper are in the fray for the president of AMJU post, while 14 are contesting for 8 standing committee members' seats. Among the 14 contesting candidates for the standing committee members, Eris Longjam of Pognafam is the only woman candidate. AMJU will have 9 standing committee members and 1 among the 9 will be nominated by the president after the election. Well, it's time now for a short break.
Yoga teacher jobs in Delhi for freshers. Sri Krishna Classical Yoga Group of India, New Delhi, headquartered dagi tholokpa cherol amagi matung inna North East ki oina yoga teacher humfu selection khanjagani maru oina India gi mapanda chetpagi khudong chaba pizagani job ki mafam na Delhi amadi UP dani saruk yabining ba singna Athuba matamda online resume biodata thabirau aikhogi contact number 9810993987 email birlayogaolympics@yahoo.com. Interview place Classic Hotel Imphal.
Welcome back after the break. The Department of Civil Engineering of Manipur Technical University organized a field visit to Dolai Thabe Barrage Dam at Senapati district today. A team of 4 teachers and 4 staff members of the institute led the trip. Altogether, 66 students of civil engineering participated in a trip which aims to provide quality education, well-researched and professional experiences that enable the graduates to gain practical knowledge as a part of the curriculum. Assistant Professor of Civil Engineering, Manipur Technical University, Nomaithem Anand, said such a field trip, which is a must, is an utmost important one which makes the students gain hands-on training. He also thanked various departments of Manipur government for giving the opportunities. Gaining of practical knowledge by students is an achievement, he added.
Sigumba project mayam paikhala ise yam phai akoi gi general public ki oina but aigi side tagi aigi personal opinion oina di masigi operation and maintenance masi je phajana mapung phana pangthok pirewa habdi sibu sagiba for example dolai thabi gi su koigi mapan gi company na adum project se pai gimni aduna every once in a while moigi mi su laaga moigi project moina sagiba project se phajana operation tauribra aduga any technical issues lakpa matamda maintenance ki di kai provision lay haibase atopa project singi da su adum yengjan haningi.
Students feel that they have gained more concrete knowledge with such industrial site visits as they are pursuing civil engineering.
Si field la salo matung da khoi gi amu kaida back to the college la gan jira mo khoi gi para singai ta lesson sing ja khoi na field la salo ga di sitha ba di ozana tak pa sitha o ga do khoi dum si sign to gi kholi sign kha wa le ha ga di adum khoi satra mayam ju dum share tong minam ni na dum khoi plop as a whole oina si field la sign khena lai si khena lai si mayam khoi na dum khamungam
experience ti yam haidi akhoi classroom da lei sidi only ojana ta ani akhoi mit ta sagat pado ngam deba direct salura kan da mit ta ugi ba por hai sidi dum kawaroi da bni hai pet mina haraga khangba duga isana direct uzaru ba duga aduna fil cha paside do kemati kanare yari ge dum chatpana di phai khale dum atopa dum college lai ko moidegi akhoi na di henna chatlam ga da ba male sum atopa di imana ba atopa tam su yawe do kasu haide do khoi gi di do kemati chatle aduna chatpasina ju phai na khale
knowledge se asuki mati yamna phangre classroom da de akhoi di sumna tagi class note chu khatang khata oina mita khatang yang mane field thol ko matan de akhoi gi mang da direct visualize oina direct oina thol ko adi akhoi na classroom da tobo khatang khata na tana yum kalma palam thol kan da karamba mafam da akhoi je practical oina direct tobo yai habado mayam khange duga akhoi gi classroom da akhoi gi workshop tobo matam da akhoi na haitaba software mayam ma su tamba phangi.
Smile Train and Caesar Foundation jointly organized a Tours rally in Imphal today. The rally was started from Kangla Gate and finished at Thau Ground. Program Manager of Smile Train India, Isani Biswa, and Managing Director of Caesar Hospital, Dr. Pauline, attended the program. The rally was held celebrating 20th anniversary of Smile Train India, apart from giving awareness to the public.
5,000 among the 2,500 what 2,500 is lowly. Lowly bay madam say Kang the Badigi. Adu si tawu phati hai basu yauri natraga na lakhuk laksin da ngam da bagi natraga paisa nuksagi aduna Smile Train sina magi operation gi leibagi hida langthagi adu danatana athapadagi lakpadi khoina traveling expenses bawa support tawi aduna sigi ngasigi rally sina piriwa awareness si hai ba clip liben palace si masi free the operation tawi yare chathok chasing support phangi aduga loinana haiba na sing si support to biraga akhoi Caesar hospital pubirak lagadi moigi layeng bagi saruk loina akhoi responsibility laujani under the sponsorship of Smile Train India and Smile Train New York.
We would want more people to read and see what this surgery, what cleft is all about, talk about it, make some noise, and also ensure that all the children are gifted with the right to smile that they truly deserve. So that was the rally. So we marked the celebrations with the rally in the morning. We would be continuing tomorrow again. There would be several other awareness activities that would be held in different parts of Imphal, and then there would be a culmination event also towards the end of the day. So yes, that was the beginning of Smile Torch in India from Imphal.
Peaceful Club Karai Ningthau Bumlekai Tinsit Road, Imphal East observed its 55th Foundation Day and inaugurated a new club building today. Homage was paid to the founder president of the club, late L. Jugindro, during the function.
Si Maruina, Equai Hauriba Naharon Sing Hype Tare, Naharon Singida, Equina, Maruina Taza, but Semkat Pipe that Taka second Pabzum, Minu Sigalorena, Mayangi Mating, Katan was your Tazana, Halaman, Hariba, Equagi, Kalabasibu, Likat Piramba, Lunana, Matung Tarapada, Kalabasigi, Tabak Taronkiada, Sawyaramba, now when a Legidaba, the Halo and a Ladiba, Kayama. Si Equina, Nixon Jaraga, Ikai Usaraga, Madudagi, Alam, the Equina, Beba Kajataba, Akwai Asumas Saba, the Equagi Union Sweba, Aduma Mayama, Katopagi, Adumba, Port Mayam, Mayam, the Ulakanda, Madagi Mayamna, Musibidana, Kalabasigi, Mateng, Morin support, Sendungi support, Mayam, Torakanda, the Equina, Nasi, Equagi Club, Asina Kualiba, Maruina. Kurai Tongolai Sida Ladiba, Adumba, Mapam Kudimaki, Kudimaki, Aninga Pam, Hybatari, Equagi, Ginbilias, Hyptare, Ginbilias, Gumba, Adumba, Amagi, Mawonda, Equi, Semgasage, and Aquai Kanzai.
International model and social activist Mayang Lamam Daina was conferred National Women's Social Award by Progressive Thane Residency Welfare Association Thane on the occasion of Maharashtra Day, which is observed every year on the 1st of May. The award giving ceremony was held today at Dr. Kashinath Ghanekar Natya Gruha Auditorium, Thane in honor of the socially dedicated persons of the country. Mayang Lambam Daina was chosen for this award in recognition of her dedicated humanitarian services she rendered at Delhi for the last 3 years. The award carries a citation, cash and shawl. Mayang Lambam Daina had also received different awards earlier. Let's take a short break once again.
This is true. No matter where we're at and how busy we were, we may not get the time to spend the whole day together, but a time always brings us together when we are dining, especially when gathered around such divinely crafted amenities.
Welcome back. A wild elephant which went astray from Amchang Wildlife Sanctuary on into 6 Mile in the capital city created panic among the local residents. The animal was spotted at Narangi at around 3:30 am yesterday. Later, it moved towards Borbari and then proceeded to Hengrabari. It reached Ganeshguri and walked over the main streets of GS Road near Christian Basti, disrupting road traffic for almost an hour. For an hour, the animal stalled traffic on the busy GS Road near Srinagar area lined with shopping malls and many big stores. Officials of the Forest Department said the animal had come down in search of food. It was tranquilized by a forest official at Srinagar and later brought to the state zoo in the city. Several forest guards were also injured in a bid to control the wild animal. A large crowd gathered to see the animal as it made way between cars, plodding quietly in the middle of the road. The enthusiastic crowd followed the beast around, clicking pictures and filming the incident on their mobile phones. Local police and forest guards helped in crowd control, dispersed crowd from the footpaths and assured the male elephant was not hurt. Officials tried to bring the elephant under control by putting up barricades. The animal seemed to be unaffected by the cars around it. As the pressure of population pushed human habitation closer to forests, incidents of wild animals straying into cities is being increasingly reported. At least 16 persons, including 15 security personnel, were killed in an improvised explosive device IED blast triggered by Maoists in Maharashtra's Gadchiroli district today. The blast followed the Maoists torching 25 vehicles belonging to a road construction contractor earlier in the day, according to sources. Those killed were members of the Quick Response Team QRT of Garchiroli police, which was on its way to inspect the torch vehicles. The blast took place as the vehicle reached Lendari Nala in Kurkheda area. Cyclonic storm Fenny, which is lying about 600 km east of Visakhapatnam and 800 km south of Puri, is the first severe cyclonic storm to have formed in April in India's oceanic neighborhood since 1976. With the extremely severe cyclonic storm Fenny expected to bring heavy rainfall to Andhra Pradesh, particularly the north coastal districts, the Real-Time Governance Society RTGS has warned fishermen against venturing into the sea, which is expected to be very rough. RTGS officials have alerted the revenue and police departments to be prepared for any eventuality and directed monitoring of coastal areas with the help of surveillance cameras. Fenny might trigger rainfall at most places with very heavy and extremely heavy rainfall, more than 20 cm at isolated places in Srikakulam, Visakhapatnam and Vizag district tomorrow, and heavy to very heavy rainfall at isolated places on May 3rd in the same area. External Affairs Minister Sushma Swaraj spoke with the US Secretary of State Mike Pompeo during the weekend and asked for a waiver for continued import of Iranian crude after the May 2nd deadline imposed by the US administration. Both sides discussed issues relevant to bilateral ties, including the waivers for energy from Iran. Now let's have the top stories of today's newspaper headlines.
The Shanghai Express Tangkol CSO stays solidarity rally at Zihai Village with suspense standoff call. IM speaks out against hostility by Indian Armed Forces. Missing folks yet to be traced. Navy divers arrive to aid search. MLA K. Megasandra seeks anticipatory bail. Government bans all unauthorized boats and vessels. The People's Chronicle. Standoff ends as IM agreed to step back. Rally held. Kangpopi ready to welcome interlocutor Mathur. No MCC violation by CM, says PS. Asian IM alleges hostility by Indian forces. Government bans unauthorized boats. More NDRF Navy divers arrived. Imphal Free Pressed. Chadong leg bodies remained untraced. Indian Navy to join search operation. CMO refused allegation by MPCC INC candidate. Tourists will be banned at Mapital Dam until MOA is signed. NHM IM speaks out on prevailing situation in Ukhrul district. The Morning Bell. Indian Navy team arrives in Manipur to begin search operation today. 45 years old rapi sentenced to 8 years rigorous imprisonment. Taitula Manipur King's presents Kamenchepa fee to Yumnam Piba from Bangladesh. Manipur Mail. PM space okay, Azad Khan's speech not okay, says EC. Sihai not designated came but no trouble, says Asian IM. Meghalaya seeks to increase milk production.
Before we wind up, let's have a quick look at the top stories once again. Navy divers continue search for 3 bodies in Muffle Dam. International Workers' Day widely observed across Manipur. And Cookie Talks interlocutor A.B. Mathur meets leaders of Cookie Civil Society in Kangpokpi. Well, that's all for now. Keep watching Times of Manipur.